My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Wzer. Wzer is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes, of course. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will also give you some recommendations on how to protect your data from being damaged by such ransomware. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wzer ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Because of that, very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Wzer ransomware encrypts files and also appends a special Wzer extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files anymore. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this goal. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and remove other threats. So the program will be initially in the trial mode, so click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scanning then you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to premium. With premium license, you can always request for the free trial to remove this ransomware and other types of threats. However, let me keep you in mind that this program called Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Considering file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.